We'll guide you through how to enable Gmail notifications on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail by typing mail.google.com in the address bar. Once you're logged in to your account, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the page, which represents Settings, and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings to open the full settings page. Now, navigate to the General tab if it's not already selected. Scroll down until you see the Desktop Notifications section. Here, you have a few options to choose from. You can select New Mail Notifications On to receive alerts for all incoming emails, or Important Mail Notifications On if you only want notifications for emails marked as important. Make your choice by clicking the respective option. Once you've done that, you need to click here to enable desktop notifications for Gmail if you haven't done this before. A pop-up from your browser will appear asking you to allow Gmail to show notifications. Click Allow to grant permission. It's important to make sure that your browser settings also allow notifications. To check this, go to your browser's settings and search for notifications in the search bar. Make sure that notifications are enabled and that Gmail is not blocked. If everything is set correctly, you should now receive notifications whenever a new email arrives, right on your desktop. This can be especially handy if you're working and need to keep track of emails without constantly checking your inbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.